On August 22, 2019, Banji Akintoye, a professor and former senator, was appointed the head of the Assembly of all Yoruba groups worldwide. The delegates of the Yoruba groups, who converged in Ibadan on August 22nd, chose Mr. Akintoye for the position. Mr. Akintoye was nominated by Abdurrahim Aduamigba, the chief imam of Yoruba in Ilorin, based on what was described as his contributions to the development of the Yoruba race. He was elected at the age of 84 to lead the group. Speaking at a press conference in Lagos, Mr. Akintoye said he accepted the position after consulting with his family and close friends and with a broad spectrum of notable Yoruba personalities.
The dangers facing our Yoruba nation are staggering. We are faced by nothing less than an invasion of our ancestral homeland and by unrelenting harassments and killings of our people on our farms, villages, and highways. In the atmosphere of the ethnic cleansing that is going on in Nigeria, many of our people can no longer be sure of basic safety in their daily lives. More and more of our farming folks are abandoning farming altogether. The danger of food insecurity, even the danger of economic collapse, stares us in the face. Day by day, there are reports that large numbers of armed militiamen have been infiltrated into our forests and our towns and cities in all parts of our homeland in the Nigerian southwest and in Kwara and Kogi states. Our people have reason to fear. Our people have reason to fear that the infiltrated forces are only waiting for a signal from somewhere to unleash a wholesale and coordinated attack on us in our farmlands, our roadways, our towns and cities.
Mr. Akintoye expressed gratitude to all stakeholders for considering him worthy of the position. The new leader said he will increase the frequency of his public speeches and statements in order to reinforce awareness about the challenges facing the nation. He added that the perception of the leadership of today's Yoruba nation shall be that it does not interfere with partisan politics and politicians.